Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here, and welcome back to another mathematics practice questions video, CSEC practice questions. In this video, we will be looking at relations, functions, and graph questions. And remember, you can pause the video when you see the question, you can pause it, work it out, and then you can press play and look and see how I will work to see if we will correspond with our answers and workings and so on. So let's get straight into this question. So the question says, given that f of x is equal to 1 over 3x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 3x all divided by x plus 1, determine the value of f of 9. So you want to find f of 9, so we'll substitute in 9 into the function f. So it says f of x is equal to 1 over 3x plus 4. So if you want to find f of 9, we're replacing x with 9 in the function f of x. So this will be 1 over 3 multiplied by x, in this case, which is 9, plus 4. So this will be 1 over 3 is the same as 1 times 9 is 9. 9 divided by 3 would be 3 plus 4. And 3 plus 4 would simply be 7. So f of 9 is equal to 7. And that is as easy as that for that 1 mark. So the next question says, given that we have the same set of functions, we want to calculate the value of fg of negative 3. So what this is saying, so fg of negative 3, what this is saying, we're taking the function g of negative 3 and we're putting it inside the function f. So what we can do for us, we can find g of negative 3 for us. So let's find g of negative 3. So g of negative 3, we're substituting negative 3 inside of this g function, g of x function. So this is equal to 3. Instead of x, we'll have negative 3, all divided by negative 3 plus 1. So this will be 3 times negative 3 will be negative 9 over negative 3 plus 1 will be a negative 2. And the two negatives will cancel out and we'll be left with 9 over 2. So we can either have it as 9 over 2 or we can have it as 4.5. So since we are dealing with a fraction here, we can leave it as 9 over 2. So we can say g of negative 3 is equal to 9 over 2. So now that we have g of 3 being 9 over 2, now we are taking this function and we're putting it inside of the f function. So we have f of x, and we know x will replace with the function g of negative 3 that we found. So instead of writing back g of negative 3, we'll put 9 over 2. So f of 9 over 2 is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by x. X in this case would be 9 over 2 plus 4. So this will be equal to 1 times 9 would be 9. 3 times 2 would be 6 plus 4. So 9 over 6 plus 4. So we can actually, we can work this out with our calculators, or we can just do it right here. So we have 9 over 6. So let's practice some fractions. Plus 4. We know the denominator, the LCM would be 6. This is like 4 over 1. So 6 into 6, 1. You multiply the times there. So this would be 9 plus 6 divided by 1 is 6. Multiply that there. So 4 times 6 is 24. Hence 9 plus 24 would be 33 over 6. So hence when you add these two together, you get 33 over 6. And so we can say f of 9 over 2 is equal to 33 over 6. So this can be, or we can have 5 and 1 over 2, or 33 divided by 6 would simply give us 5.5. Either one you want to do, you can work. So you could have used 4.5 and multiply throughout, and but either of these answers will work as the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. The next question says, we have the two same functions. We want to determine the value of x for which g of x is equal to 5 over 2. So they're telling us that g of x is equal to 5 over 2. Now, please don't make the mistake and think this is the same as g of 5 over 2. No, You're not finding g of 5 over 2. They're telling you g of x is equal to 5 over 2. So we have g of x, let me write back that function, is equal to 3x over x plus 1. So they're telling us that g of x is equal to this. So instead of writing back g of x, we'll say 5 over 2 is equal to 3x over x plus 1. So we have a fraction equal to a fraction. Whenever you have a fraction equal to a fraction, to get rid of this, we just do some cross multiplication. So we'll have 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. So this 5 multiplied here, 5 times x would be 5x plus 5 times 1 would be 5. This is equal to 2 times x, 2 times 3x would be, so this is equal to 2 times 3x would be 6x. So now we have like terms, you just put them together. So we can take over the 6x, it's adding, so when it goes over, we have 5x subtract 6x is equal to, and when we take over this 5, since it's adding, when we take it over, it will become minus 5. So 5x subtract 6x, that would give you a negative 1x. That is the same as a negative x is equal to a negative 5. So these two negatives will cancel out. So we'll have x is equal to 5 as the answer. And that is the value of x, for which g of x is equal to 5 over 2. And that is some and that is how we can get these 2 marks easily. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a good understanding of this question. I remember, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.